The Metropolitan Museum of Art, also known as the Met. First, we have oceanic art. This here is a navigational chart. These navigational charts were commonly known as stick charts. The charts were originally used in the Marshall Islands to help navigators during their long voyages. It provided them with the locations of islands and wave patterns. This chart shows a grid-like structure. The curved strips possibly represented wave patterns, and the intersection of the corner sticks might indicate the location of some islands. It was made to teach the art of navigation. Next, we have an example of American art. This here is known as the box. These boxes were made from oak. The unique boxes were commonly used in the 17th century. It was made around 1660 to 1685. These boxes were used in many American households. It held many important items, such as jewelry, documents, books, and currency. They were carved with decorations that displayed stylized plant forms and geometric shapes. Lastly, we have European sculpture. This here is known as the shock dog. Anne Damer was one of Britain's first women sculptors who portrayed both human and animal sculptures. Small breeds, such as the Maltese, were famous companions in Britain around the 18th century. These sculptures often make connections to owners and their pets. The naturalism of this sculpture showcased Anne's artistic mastery. Thank you so much.